Judge tells Prince Harry to pack his bags and leave the U.S. after breaking court rules. What's really going on? Pack your bags, Prince. That's not a line from The Crown. That's what headlines are screaming after a U.S. judge allegedly told Prince Harry to leave the country for breaking court rules. Dramatic? Absolutely. But what's the real story, and why does it feel like Harry's royal exit saga just keeps getting messy, eh? Let's unpack the chaos. No royal carriage required. Hashtag from palaces to paperwork. The prince versus the system. Imagine swapping royal life for California sunshine, only to be told, years later, you might be booted out. Since stepping back from his royal duties in 2020, Harry's life has been more Malibu than monarchy. But behind the scenes, he's been fighting a legal battle to reinstate his British police protection. Here's the twist. Because he's no longer a working royal, the UK yanked back the taxpayer-funded security. Harry wasn't having it. His legal team argued that threats to his safety didn't vanish with his titles. And now, in this high-stakes court drama, the judge isn't impressed with how Harry's handled things. Did he actually break court rules? And if so, what does that mean for his American dream? Hashtag courtroom drama or PR disaster. This week, a U.S. judge reportedly slammed Harry for not properly disclosing key visa documents, possibly tied to past drug use he discussed in his memoir, Spare. If true, this could violate immigration policies, raising questions about whether he'll be allowed to stay in the U.S. Let that sink in. Prince Harry, possibly facing deportation. Over his own tell-all book? What does this mean for his family, his future, and his fight for security? Hashtag why it matters, even if you don't keep up with royals. This isn't just about Harry. It's about celebrity privilege, legal accountability, and what happens when personal truth clashes with public systems. Millions watched him walk away from royalty. But will the same systems he's criticized now show him the door? Also, can we talk about the irony of a prince potentially getting kicked out over paperwork? Hashtag, so what now? Whether you're Team Harry or think he's overplayed his hand, one thing's clear, this story isn't over. Legal experts are weighing in. Immigration advocates are watching. And let's be real. So, is Buckingham Palace? So what do you think? Should Harry stay or go? Was the judge too harsh? Or is this karma coming full circle? Drop your take in the comments. Share this with someone who's been following the royal roller coaster. And let's talk about it. Because whether you're here for the drama or the legal twists, one thing's for sure. Harry's American chapter just got a whole lot more complicated.